Happy Vlogmas Day 20. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's day 20. That's insane. That means Christmas is just around the corner. But I've already had a pretty busy afternoon. I had the cleaner come. It wasn't raining today like it was a couple weeks ago when the cleaner came, so I was able to do things in the back house. I moved our tables and chairs into a different place so they're not in my way while I'm trying to wrap Christmas gifts. I organized all the Christmas gifts into who they're going to, so I have little piles going on, just how I showed you how I like to organize my gifts yesterday. I just finished editing day 18 so that it could go out today. Now it's exporting, and I'm just like exhausted. I'm so sleepy, so I'm gonna take a nap. I'm like a huge fan of taking a power nap. I have no qualms about it. I'm okay with sleeping in the middle of the day. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes. Give me any amount of time and I will take it just to give my eyes a break. I can feel I just need it. I think that 20 minutes would just do me so good. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go take a nap. See you in a little bit. Getting to that laundry from the other day and this is what I'm dealing with. I mean, she's just messed up all the pillows on the bed. She's a little crazy baby, aren't you? You're a little crazy baby. Yes, you are. Why are you so cute? You're on all my stuff. You're in my way. Yeah, go check that out. Let me finish what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this real quick. Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. Oh my goodness, the last time we spoke, I was doing the laundry, and then I did more laundry, and then I edited, and then I did some dishes, and then I went to another Christmas party, hence my little hat. I got it yesterday from my friend, and I was like, you know what? This is the perfect little hat. It's funny because it's pink and silver, but in this lighting, it looks more colorful than it really is. It's kind of fun. So, yeah. At the Christmas party, I didn't really take video, to be honest. I didn't have my phone out. It was away in my purse, and I was just like enjoying the moment. I think sometimes you just have to take the time to enjoy the moment and take a mental picture, which is what I think I did. We had so much fun. We were playing music on the jukebox, we were dancing around, having a good time. It was really, really very nice and pleasant, and just the essence of Christmas, spending time with your family and friends. So we had a blast, but I'm home and I'm tired because I've been going and going for like 3 days straight. What are we on, day 20? I feel like I've been going 20 days straight. Holidays are crazy. I have so much to do tomorrow. I have no presents wrapped, so my goal is to wrap all the presents, get the last minute things that I need, and just try to be ready and not rushing around the day before Christmas Eve. I want to be done before Christmas Eve. That's my goal. Let's make that happen. Shall we? We can do it. See you tomorrow. You want it? Go get it. She's so fast. Are y'all done? You want to go home? Okay, let's go home. Look at her just waiting by the gate. You're so smart. You know what you want, don't you?